Today I will go to show you how to use Senior Director Gem on Gemini. And for that, I just create this new one. You just have to upload one shot of any random image like a movie still or to capture all the visual color setting and every grading and everything. And with that image, you upload your scene or script from your movie or whatever you are building. And then let Gemini to generate you all a visual style, look, and then the story divide into shots. And it's just making like, in this case, we have like 10 shots, 9 shots. And there, I just ask create first short image, and then second short image, and the third one. And this is another stainer, so it start generating like 1, 2. So they are arguing, so you see the quality of the consistency is very good. Also, it's still keeping the same kind of the color greedy. Well, for example, here is the last shot, and then I said next shot, so there is no generated shot, but it's still generating next shot. So the story is like, he's taking a train, and then go here. So, for example, if I said, next shot, close up, Nana Banana will just take this image and then generate another one. So then you can download these images and go to your video editor. So let's say you are using Sora or VOCVU or any other video generator. Just generate your videos. So the prompts include, as you can see, it's include video animation, prompt with camera kind of moments of everything, dialogues, and also it has also an audio and background sounds. So there is something like around the short. This is very easy to generate to work, and I will share the system is perfect. So I will share this link in my Patreon account. Hope you like it and you can use it.
We have a YouTube channel where you can follow us for free tutorials like this. We explore video generation with ChatGPT, various platforms, and AI tools. Plenty of options to check out. We also have a Patreon where you can access free GPTs, prompts, and exclusive content not shared on YouTube or social media. Plus, we run a social network where you can sign up, upload content, hide it, or get paid subscribers. It even has a small prompt marketplace where you can sell your prompts. Lots of artists upload daily there. We also have a Facebook group where members share great prompts. Tons of people are active there too. That's all for today. Bye-bye.